Parents, educators, and students, I'm Josh with smartsocial.com, and in this video, I want to talk to you about how Instagram can be used in a positive way to help every student shine online. Now at Smart Social, we believe Instagram does have its concerns and dangers, but students can use it someday with a positive purpose to shine online, and that's why it's in our green zone. It doesn't mean it's safe to let people just run away with and use on their own as a student, but any user of Instagram definitely needs to be aware of the dangers and the ways to recognize a problem on their own around the behavior and emotions or what they see online. Parents and students also can work together to create a positive purpose for social media and stay safe online. And that's what we're all about here at smartsocial.com. We have a ton that we cover in this course, and it's led and taught by me. Examples of the dangers of Instagram from the news. So we give you about 10 examples for students, and the students get to learn. We don't tell them what not to do. We show them the positive sides and basically how to get hired and how to get fired. We also show how some students were abducted, how some students were bullied, and other things. Next, how to brand your Instagram to have fun and shine online. These are things that the students watch with their parents. How to set up your bio and your photo. We get down nitty gritty, practical and tactical. We teach students how to tell your story with posts, highlights, images, and videos. How to block people, how to block bad content and reduce spam. How to report offensive content or harassment. How to delete and archive images and videos to bolster up and clean up and make sure that the photos that are shared are the best representation of your personality. And what we mean by that is we're going to show you how to be full of gratitude and positivity online and still let your personality shine through. Nothing we teach the students in this course is at all about being fake, but rather use the things you're already doing to create a portfolio of positive images. We're also going to show you when to publicize your account to shine online for discovery by Google. And I'll give you a little hint. It starts with a dialogue with the parents, with the educators, and then we teach you how to do that. Now, there's some content that we show just to parents and educators. We show you a bunch of the statistics, why your students like Instagram so much. We actually give you a little hidden feature into why they're addicted to it. How to view your students' activity and set time limit reminders. We also show you what if Instagram is and how to find out if your student has that second Instagram account and what you can do to talk to them about it. I hope you become a member or send this to your superintendent, principal, directors in your district and unlock a bunch of passes for your community. I'm Josh Oakes with smartsocial.com. Always grateful to be a part of this conversation and here to keep your students safe so they can someday shine online. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.